automatically reconnect to your previous listing. Otherwise, please hold for an operator. City and state, please.
Prattville, Alabama.
Thank you. What was in Prattville?
I was wondering if you enjoy your job. I'm doing a survey for school.
I'm sorry, I cannot participate in surveys. Have a nice evening.
Hang on.
Enjoy Christmas.
You too. Survey, the other people did.
Okay, do another one. Do another one.
I shouldn't say it's a survey. They do not enjoy answering surveys. They cannot answer surveys, even though we've called 500 times and they already have previously. By the way, if you would like to call them, it is 411. They are located in Lexington, Kentucky. You can do this time.
Verizon Wireless 411 search. Press 1 to automatically reconnect to your previous listing. Press 1 to have a text message of this listing sent to your phone.
No. I pushed the wrong button. Okay, let's see here. One more time. We're going to call them one more time.
Make it good. Make it good.
Verizon Wireless 411 search. Press 1 to automatically reconnect to your previous listing. Otherwise, please hold for an operator.
Hold for an operator.
City and state, please.
Wetumpka, Alabama.
Wetumpka, what listing, please?
I was asking if you enjoy your job.
Yes, I do.
Is it like, do you just answer phones all day?
Yes, I do.
Or like, I mean, I'm just asking, do they make you say that you enjoy your job, or do you actually enjoy it? Because answering phones all day would be kind of boring to me.
No, because you never know who's going to be on the other end and what kind of questions they're going to ask.
Like this kind of question?
You're right.
You're an idiot.
Now, is there someone's phone number you need to look up?
I have another question. Can I ask another question?
No.
One more, but I've got other calls waiting for numbers to be looked up.
Oh, okay. Y'all are located in Lexington, Kentucky?
Yes, we are.
So I can go up there and get a application, correct?
No, you can go online.
Online. What if I don't have a computer?
Well, then you're SOL.
We'll need to find someone that has one.
Oh, okay.
Now, do I need to look up a phone number for you?
No, I'm sorry for bothering you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. She didn't even finish saying goodbye.
What a baby.
Now that should directory assistants. Some of them are nice, and some of them are mean.
All right, do one last one. Make it quick, because the battery's like at red.
And this is getting very annoying. I'm calling them every time. Hey, Zach, you should do that. Come down here and do it. Come down here and do
Verizon
it.
Wireless 411 search. Press 1 to automatically reconnect to your previous listing. Otherwise, please hold for an operator.
Oh.
Zach, shut up.
Oh.
Hello, what's the state, please?
Lexington, Kentucky.
Oh, my dick.
Thank you. What listing in Lexington?
I have a question though before I tell you the number. Are you allowed to answer questions?
Depending on what it is and what it's pertaining to.
Oh, my dick.
So no personal questions?
No.
Okay, well this one's not really personal, but like, do you enjoy your job?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Is it like emergency dispatch where they get the calls and some of them are kind of like asking for directions and stuff?
You would get everything from 411.
Oh.
They ask everything, but we don't necessarily have a way to give them everything because all we do is look up phone numbers.
Oh, my dick.
Oh, okay.
What did you need in Lexington?
I have some relatives there.
What did you want me to look up?
What can you look up?
Look, I don't have time to sit here and chit-chat. You want me to look up a phone number?
Oh,
Do you like dick?
I'm sorry.
Well, while you were sitting there playing on the phone and your little partner in the back...